Hello, I'm Dr. Yepuri, and I'm a board-certified gastroenterologist in Bedford, Texas. Now that you've scheduled or are considering scheduling your colonoscopy, I wanted to create this short video to help make this process go as smoothly as possible for you. While the prep can be a little inconvenient for some, I'm hoping to make this process go a little bit more smoothly for you with a few helpful recommendations. Before I get into the tips my staff and I suggest to patients for the prep, I did want to emphasize how important a part of the exam this process is. By doing as good a job as possible with your prep, you are going to give me the best opportunity to give you as thorough a colonoscopy as possible. Now, let's get to the prep. This process will begin the day before your procedure when you will be on a clear liquid diet. Depending on the type of prep you will be using, whether it be Clenpick, Suprep, or Plenview, my staff will provide you with specific instructions that are also available on my website, dfwgidoctor.com, on the Patient Resources page. This clear diet will consist of broth, jello, electrolyte solutions, and any other clear liquids. To be clear liquids include coffee and tea. However, it would be best to avoid dairy, as well as any dark-colored liquids, including those with blue, red, and purple dyes, as those can look like blood during the examination. Other tips to consider for a successful colonoscopy prep include buying some hypoallergenic wipes to lessen the irritation from frequent trips to the bathroom. Also, you may want to consider picking up some Vaseline or other petroleum-based jelly to apply as a barrier to also lessen the irritation from frequent trips to the bathroom. In addition, you may want to consider picking up some Crystal Light or other flavor packets to mix with your prep to improve the taste. However, it is important to remember to stay away from anything with purple, red, or blue dyes, as again, these can give the appearance of blood during the examination. Should you start to have any difficulty with the prep, such as experiencing nausea, vomiting, or a fever, you can always stop for 30 to 45 minutes to give your stomach a chance to settle down, and then restart the process once you start to feel better. Of course, myself or one of my partners are always on call and available to assist you with any difficulties or questions you may have during the prep process. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about how to complete a successful colonoscopy prep and for helping us lower the incidence of colon cancer by getting your colonoscopy in Bedford, Texas.